Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a Robinhood stock analysis, and at this point, there's not too much analyze about this stock, but last time when I made a video, looks like some people didn't like it, and it was basically can it go to $10? And some people didn't like it, and it's so just to clarify that number and also my positions as well, right? I'm not trading this stock. I'm not biased up or down. It's just a momentum to the downside. And I also understand that this stock is oversold. Yes, I do agree 100% on that one. But momentum, it has been to the downside for what? For 2-3 months now. And usually downtrends end when stock makes climatic, like very flushy move down, quick flush move down to the downside, and then from there it can bounce pretty much and reverse the trend, just like to the upside. When stock goes up and up and up, it makes really huge like climatic move to the upside, and then from there it starts to fade before it starts to go up again. Same thing with the downside. All right, and now it's been, if you look at this chart, this is a daily chart. It's been pretty much selling off very slowly, pretty much melting down, very slow move, like downtrend to the downside, and there's no like panicking or anything like that, and also there's not much of an interest from retail. So back to the $10 mark that I was coming up with last time, it was just based on the standard deviation moves. I almost forget that. So these are the standard deviation moves that I watch when I'm trading to the upside and downside. If I'm trading to the upside, well, I look at the, like just like with Apple, right? Let's quickly go to Apple and then come back, right? So with Apple, I said, hey, if I'm about to short this name, well, if it moves 2 standard deviations, which was this green line right here, that's where you most likely have a chance of shorting it rather than shorting it here at 177 or 174. Look what it does. It quickly gets above that standard deviation move and it starts slipping. And of course, I understand there's a Fed, blah, 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 but it doesn't matter. So standard deviations, 2 standard deviation move is very big move. And that's where it came from for Hood as well. If you go back to Hood, look at it. So 1 standard deviation move at the moment would be $17.70. So that's the support I'm watching for Hood. Basically, if you look at it from okay, after earnings, it started bounce, maybe 1.5 standard deviation move, but 2 standard deviation move would take it to this $9.19. That's where I came up with. It's not like to clickbait you. It's not like, I'm not trying to advertise my position, anything like that. I don't have any position. I'm just a Robinhood user, and I happen to be watching this stock ever since they went public. All right. So if you look at the RSI, 100%, I agree, it's oversold. So for the bounce, I would watch this 1790, 1770. So another dollar from here if you're watching for some sort of a relief bounce. Because if you look at the RSI, yes, it has been showing you oversold levels since $31 level. All right. So oversold, it can stay oversold. That's why I don't use much RSI. I do like MACD though, because it's volume based, and if you look at the like reversals happening, I trust this indicator a little bit more. All right, just to read the momentum. If you look at the RSI, the MACD, well, it's way down there, and the momentum has been still to the downside. So that's the only thing we can talk about Robinhood. That's the levels. Those are the levels I'm watching. Another thing is maybe 5-day moving average. If you are someone who thinks that it's about to reverse here, I think it's gonna go higher from here. So use 5-day moving average. This blue line right here. At the moment, it's at 2140. So the moment stock gets back above, you want stock to at least stay above that level 2 days, and then you can just watch how stock moves when it's at these levels. So 5-day moving average, like you can use it to the downside as well. The moment it slips below, well, you can use this level as a resistance level, and it keep coming down, it keep going down if it stays below 5-day moving average. That's the perfect momentum indicator for day traders or even like swing traders. So I don't want to make this video too long. That's what I'm watching for Robinhood. We're not going to look at the option activity. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.